Welcome to AAA Paver Sealing, your trusted partner for professional paver cleaning in Orlando. Discover the beauty beneath the grime as we restore your pavers to their original glory. Our expert team specializes in enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your outdoor spaces. Unveil the hidden charm of your pavers with our thorough cleaning solutions. Rejuvenate your walkways, patios, and driveways, giving them a fresh lease on life. At AAA Paver Sealing, we're committed to delivering impeccable results every time. Experience the transformative power of our paver cleaning services that exceed expectations. Bid farewell to stains, dirt, and weathering as we bring back the vibrancy of your pavers. Our knowledgeable team employs state-of-the-art techniques to ensure the best outcomes. Embrace the allure of your outdoor space anew with clean and inviting pavers. We take pride in our meticulous approach, leaving no detail overlooked in our cleaning process. Your satisfaction is our priority. Trust us to enhance your property's aesthetics and value. Contact us today at 407-392-0888 and let AAA Paver Sealing redefine the beauty of your pavers. Visit AAAPaverSealing.com/paver-cleaning to learn more about our services and view our portfolio. AAA Paver Sealing, revitalize your space with expert paver cleaning.